Tom bought a pen for $60. He sold it to gain 20% on his cost. How much money did he gain? Alright, so looking at this from a multiple choice perspective, we also want to throw a little light on it in a paper 2 perspective, which would normally be a question 1, consumer arithmetic, etc., etc. Right? So generally speaking, this question could come at you in a variety of ways. So in this case, they ask for how much money did he gain. What they could also ask is what is the selling price. So generally, anytime you have somebody buying something to sell it over, they would buy it, they would pay a certain amount of money for it. That is what we refer to as the cost price, and then they sell it over either for a profit or a loss. So if they sell it over for a greater price than the price that they paid for it, they would make a profit. And if they sell it over for a lesser price than the price they paid for it, they would make a loss. So in this case, we are told explicitly that he wants to gain 20% on his cost. How much money did he gain? Straightforward calculation. Alright? 20% multiplied by 60 over 1. We cancel. 0 could go into 0 here. 0 could go into 0 here. 2 by 6 is $12. Good? So the profit is $12, which would be answer A here. Now, if the question had asked instead for the new selling price, right, that would be $60, which is the cost price, plus the profit, which is the $12. So in that case, the answer would be $72, which is answer C here. So I just throwing that out just to make you a little aware then, in terms of, you never know. They could ask for the selling price, or they could ask for the profit, or the loss, as the case may be. Good? So in this case, seeing that they ask only for the profit, which we are told is 20% of the cost, then the answer is straightforward. 20 over 100, 20%, multiplied by 60, which is $12. The answer for this question is answer